Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create a schedule for multiple channels. So for this, open the office.com and open the Outlook email which you are receiving continuously, and then click on the calendar on the right top corner where you will see, and in the bottom you see new event. Click on the new event. You will see, open it in a separate window also. Now when you open this in a separate window, all the things are visible and very much clear. Give the title, for example it's a 10th class music activity. Now I have to set the time. For example, it is from morning 10 to 11. So click on the 10, change the time accordingly. Suppose it is 1 hour on a particular day or all the days. From when we are going to start, suppose we are going to start from Monday. Every day or week we can use the custom here. If it is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and till we will continue, it will be continue till, for example, June 15, and then save. Now the important thing is now to add. So search for a room or location. It is for 10, so click directly 10. You will get lot of channels and all these. So if it is 10D, so write 10D. If you are not able to find out, you can give the name TWS 10D. You can also find out this room. If you are not finding, you can select the team TWS 10E. So here is the 10D 1 TWS 10E. So second, you have also selected 10D. DWS 10E. So 3 channels I have added, and in the last, when I click on the button save, automatically the schedule will be sent to all the students, those who are in the particular channel. So when I click on this one, I am not clicking it on the real time basis. If I click on this one, it will be automatically sent to it. Some instructions we want to add, we can do it from here. So this is one of the method by which we can create the schedule. I am going to close it. The another option is, I go to the 10th D channel in journal. I go to the journal channel. On the right top there is a column for meet, schedule a meeting. This meeting I am going to schedule only for, this is music class 10 music activity. Then I have to set the chain, the date. For example, I will start from 24th. It will start at morning 10 o'clock to 11, 1 hour. Then I click on the send button. Now I am sending it on the real time basis. Later I will cancel out it. Now go to the journal tab. I have created this activity. Open this one. Now select this, click here to join the meeting. Right click on it, copy the link, close it, go to 10th C, go to the journal tab, new conversation, and paste it. Send the link. So this is another option we can do. Similarly, open the 10th journal tab, new conversation, paste the link with Ctrl V and again send. So in this way, the same link which we have created for one class, all the students, the remaining classes can join. Thank you.